So once in a while it's good to break away from the monotony of having tea and bread or muffins for breakfast. Like today I want to make scotched eggs, which are very tasty, and you love that, trust me, for your breakfast. You're going to require 2 raw eggs and 100 grams sausage meat. So the first thing we're going to do is boil our eggs for 10 minutes. For that we are going to need 3 eggs. 2 eggs will be used to make the scotched eggs and 1 egg will be used to coat the eggs. Here we're going to have sausages, we have flour, breadcrumbs, salt, water, and dip them inside cold water so that it becomes easier to shell the eggs. We're going to leave that for about 2 minutes and then now we shell the eggs. Once you're done with that, let's clear away the eggshells so as to keep the kitchen surface clean. We'll take our eggs, slice them into halves that way. Once we've done that, we'll take our sausage meat and just wrap the eggs in the sausage meat. As you wrap, you have to ensure that all parts of the eggs are well wrapped because you don't want to leave some spaces without the sausage meat. So these are regular beef sausages, and the first thing to do is to peel off so that we get the sausage meat only. And then wrap the sausage meat on our eggs. Next thing we're going to do is now coat the scotched eggs, and with the help of that we'll use 1 raw egg. We can sprinkle some salt on the egg just to add flavor. So right now we want to dip the scotched eggs into the eggs that we've just beaten and just coat them all around. After that we coat them again with breadcrumbs to ensure that they remain crispy. That way. So right now our eggs are well coated. Here they are. You can see how they look, really nice. So after that we're going to dip them in oil, which was already hot, and just leave them to fry till golden brown. So the scotched eggs are now ready, and it's now time to take them out of the oil. Wow, I just love this, and this is just the perfect breakfast recipe. Something unique and very tasty, just to keep you going the whole day. I hope you enjoyed today's meal. Click to subscribe to my channel so that we keep enjoying tasty meals together. For now though, Bye.